A very good morning to all of you. My name is Dr. Neha and I am a psychiatrist. I delivered my baby girl on 2nd of May 2020. I had just met my gynecologist on 1st of May and we were thinking whether to go in for a normal delivery or plan for a cesarean depending upon the expected date and growth of the baby. But on 2nd of May I started having labor pains and then I had to be rushed to the hospital where they told me that they had to do an emergency cesarean section. So it's like my daughter decided to come on that day and I had her on 2nd of May. After my delivery there was some issues with breast milk because it was a cesarean section and I had a lot of pain and I had a lot of movement difficulties because of the pain and the scar and the surgery. So after during my stay in the hospital, some of the nurses, they started giving my baby top feed. I couldn't help it out much because I was in a lot of pain and only my husband was there with me in the hospital. Luckily, we met, through the hospital, I got a consultation with Dr. Vinoda. I couldn't meet her in person after that because of the pandemic, but I had a telephonic consultation with her and one of my another friends who's also a lactation consultant. And believe me, both of them were lifesavers for me because my baby had a lot of latching issues in the beginning. For the initial 1.5 months, she had a lot of latching issues and she was a fast feeder. So because of it, I had a little difficulty, but now I can proudly say that after a cesarean section, after the initial hiccups of latching, my baby, I exclusively breastfed her for 6 months and now she has started her solids, but she's also on her breastfeeding and she takes regular breastfeeding, which is very comfortable for both me and her. And what I would like to tell all the mothers out there is, see, even as doctors, we know a lot of theoretical aspects that breastfeeding is important, how is breastfeeding good for the baby and mother, but nobody tells us about these practical issues that we face. I have had so many friends also, who keep telling me about the practical issues of breastfeeding. Nobody prepares us for that. So it is very important to have these kind of awareness sessions for mothers, fathers, all the family members. They should know about breastfeeding. The common myths and misconception about breastfeeding should be broken by the specialized people, like this very very important lactation consultants that we have nowadays. They help us out so much, and so I'm so thankful for them. I'm so thankful to Dr. Vinoda for helping me out also. I also read a lot about it afterwards and I realized that all these practical issues need to be addressed, need to be told to every parent so that they can breastfeed their babies and they can have a healthy bond with their baby. So I think all of us, breastfeeding is a very beautiful thing to bond with your baby, the nutrition wise, health wise, emotionally, mentally, everything. I wish all the mothers all the best.